How to make a box plot in Desmos. Well, we can import data from anywhere, say like a spreadsheet, say like a Google Sheet. I'm going to show you how to do this very quickly. Notice that we already have a visual here in Google Sheets, so we've created a histogram. The box plot is basically a visual representation of that 5-figure summary. When we think of that 5-figure summary, we had the min value, we had the first quartile value, we had the median value, we had the third quartile value, and then we had the max value. So it's a bit of a variation of that 5-figure summary, not exactly the same, but pretty close. First thing that I want you to understand, it's not as though the box plot is the one and only way to go. That's pretty much never the case. It's just an alternative way of thinking about or viewing your data. With all that out of the way, let's take a look. We've got our calorie burn data that I have shown you in the past. These were my recordings of my calorie burn on different days for 62 days. I'm going to copy and paste this data. I'm going to head over to Desmos and I'm going to just create A equals and then just like a bracket. And it's going to do something kind of annoying. I pasted the values, and when I head back over, you see that it's kind of just recreated a box for me. So I'm just going to delete that. And I'm going to put boxplot A. And it says, okay, well, do you want to exclude outliers or not? And I'm going to check that box. We'll see what that looks like for long. I'm going to create an offset, and I'm going to create my offset of 50. I'm going to make it kind of big, and then I'm going to create a height of 30, just so that we can really give this box some oomph. Notice here, if you've ever seen a box plot, there is no left whisker, right? And the reason is I had a lot of data values at the minimum where I was just at 0. In fact, this is definitely both the minimum and the first quartile. And so there is no left whisker jutting off. Let's head on out. But as we get here, this is our median value. Here's our third quartile value. And then there are values that extend beyond the third quartile. It looks like in this case, I max out at right around 1,350 calories for a daily burn. Yeah, this is just a nice alternative way of showing my data as opposed to like a histogram, for instance.